Are you unable to back up your iPhone using mobile data? This issue can occur due to various factors such as restrictions in iCloud settings, network settings, or data limits. Don't worry, this guide will help you resolve this problem and enable you to back up your iPhone over mobile data. Let's get started. Solution 1: Enable iCloud backup over mobile data. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Cellular, scroll down, and make sure iCloud Drive is enabled under Cellular Data. After that, open Settings on your iPhone, tap on your name at the top, then select iCloud. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Toggle on iCloud Backup if it's not already on. Tap on Backup now and wait for the backup to be completed. If the backup doesn't start, now try backing up again. Solution 2: Disable low data mode. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on Cellular, tap on Cellular Data Options. Make sure low data mode is toggled off. Quick note: Apple always recommends you back up your data via Wi-Fi, so you have limited internet on your SIM card. This can be an issue, so either go with bigger internet plan or try backup with Wi-Fi. By following these steps, you should be able to back up your iPhone using mobile data. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.